In this video, I will show you how to view Telegram messages without Seen. Many people want to check their messages but do not want the person who sent them to see that they have read it. This can be helpful if you are busy and cannot respond right away, or if you just don't feel like chatting at the moment. First things first, open up the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen next. Look for any unread messages to read a message without it being marked as seen. Simply tap and hold on the specific message you want to read. This action will bring up a preview window. In this preview window, you can easily read through the entire message without notifying the sender that you've seen it. This is particularly useful when dealing with sensitive topics or when you're not ready to respond just yet. Once you've finished reading, simply tap anywhere outside of this preview window to close it. And there you go. You've successfully viewed your message without triggering that seen status. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below.